could shut them down. Walking. What a pain in the ass though.
Yeah, I said shut them down.
Probably the smartest thing to do. You know, I really want to ride this.
I do too, but
Makes for killer video. And this is how people become famous on YouTube. So they can afford to destroy shit.
yeah.
My shoes are gonna be soaked and gross.
Oh, honey, mine are already soaked.
Mine aren't.
Let's go for this pretty shower on this side.
Oh.
This is all I wasn't
See, this is totally rideable. This is all it is, man. The last one was deeper. But probably deeper coming up forward. Seeing that goes. Yeah, same. Oh, I've never done this before. Getting deeper. Keep going up the railroad. Keep going up the railroad track. Right. Man, you can feel the resistance of the bike going through the water. Imagine what our bikes had to do.
If I feel a fish swimming past me,
I feel a fucking current though. Wow. That shit's moving back at hardcore. We could have made this with the bikes on. Pretty good turn here though. Oh yeah, there's a turn right there. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that current.